Bulavinaka, Namaskar, no ia Maori. Bulavinaka children, today is about you. And I want to first of all take this opportunity to honor each of you. We all, the adults and other people who are here in this room today, are here because of you. And I am very, very honored to be here today with you, to honor you and who you are. So welcome to the Fiji Children's Award ceremony in honor of you. To the Chair of Vision Fiji, I wish to acknowledge my Assistant Minister for Women, Children and Social Protection, Honorable Sashi Kiran. I believe we have members of the diplomatic corps that are here as well. Welcome Inspire Pacific friends that are here today, Pastor Clark and Pastor Ben. But just as importantly, our parents and our guardians who are here today with our children. As I mentioned, we are all here today to honor these 14 extraordinary individuals who sit here with us today. Each of you children have gone above and beyond what is expected of you. You've really portrayed the very best of humanity. You have selflessly dedicated yourselves to improving the lives of others, whether it's your mother, whether it's your father, your family member, your friend, your school, your village, your settlement, your community. You have selflessly done so. It is a good reminder for each of us sitting here today that you don't have to have much in order to do great things like you have done. You just have to have a willing heart. Whether it's through personal development, whether you've led initiatives in your own schools and communities, whether you've just simply lent a helping hand when it's most needed, you've each proven that with very small actions, you can create big change. You've really taught us valuable lessons. I think lessons that we have to learn and we need to be reminded of, especially in this day and age. As your minister for children, I'm often asked questions by the media, but mostly on what children are not doing right, or what parents and family members are not doing right to raise our children. And while it is a challenge for me as your minister, I often remind the media, while there is a small number of children that are involved or are part of this, we've got to remember the majority of children and families who are just doing their best and trying their best and are good children and are looking after the community. And 14 of you here today represent them. The majority of children who are just trying to do right. And it is a great reminder to us as parents and guardians who sit here today. Each of you are the light to your communities. You are the light to your families. You are the light to the nation. And because of each of you, we have hope. Right? You are shining light to give hope to us and give hope to Fiji. Last week in Parliament, we passed 2 child laws. One is called the Child Justice Act, and one is called the Child Care and Protection Act. And it is the aim of these laws to look after our children. I want to acknowledge the great work of Inspire Pacific and other organizations who work tirelessly with our children who have been abandoned, our children who've been left on the wayside, who are neglected, and who are facing challenges, even including with the law. I acknowledge their great work to try to help them to be better in their own lives. But today, you 14 children, exceptional children, as we honor you, it gives us hope that we can also help our children who may not be so fortunate or who may not be in the right frame of mind or ability to be the best that they can be, that there is hope. And that's why we are here honoring you today. I want to thank Vision Fiji, especially my dear sister Gazala, who's sitting here today. I was in Vision Fiji, and she is continuing to be in Vision Fiji, but she has really, with me, over the years, had this passion to raise the visibility of our children who are doing good in society. Because there needs to be more stories told about our children who are just trying their best and are being good examples in our society. And this is something that we need to, as whether it's media or government or any adults, we need to shine the light on our children who are doing their best and trying their best. And that is what the Fiji Children's Award is about. I wish to honor the chair and the committee of Vision Fiji. Thank you for your leadership, and thank you for the passion to serve and to make today possible. Thank you so much. I just want them to stand, actually. Can we just have the Vision Fiji committee stand? Including Malika, who is the chair for Fiji Children's Award. Please stand, along with Gazala. Can you stand up? See, we have the committee of Vision Fiji standing in the back and here in front as well. Thank you so much. We honor you today. Can we just give them a round of applause? I also want to acknowledge today our Fiji Children's Award alumni. They were past recipients of the award. Can you please stand? Thank you, Malika. Thank you, Rhea. Who else is here? Kartik? Kartik is right there. So just give them a big hand. And look, they are now in Vision Fiji and doing such beautiful work, carrying on what we have started. And we just commend you for your heart of service and for your love for our children. Now that you are no longer children, you are young adults, but champions for our children. Thank you so much for your great work. Of course, we have our 14 children that are here today. We will see them come up to receive their award, but I would like them to stand as well. Please stand so that we can all see you, and just face the back so we can all see you. Tudakilewa, tu inaka. I think we need a big hooray for these 14 children. Thank you. You can sit down. And hopefully one day you will be like our young adults and you will continue this great work of acknowledging children like you who are doing exceptional community service, exceptional selfless work. And to our parents and guardians, our chaperones who are here, who've come from very far. We have a family apparently from Vanuatu, am I right? Is there a recipient from Vanuatu? Who is the recipient from Vanuatu? He's come furthest from Vanuatu to be here today. Where is your family? Or they're in the Kalavata, look at that. Can we just give them a round of applause, especially for coming so far? I especially acknowledge them coming from Vanuatu, getting on the boat, traveling so far to be here. But this is, as you can see, this effort by Vision Fiji and the Fiji Children's Award is to capture as many children from all over Fiji. Of course, we'd like to see more children to receive awards in the future. But this is where you 14 children will then take this message out and be a shining light and inspire other children to do good and inspire other children to be their best. On behalf of the ministry, on behalf of government, on behalf of Fiji, really, on behalf of Fiji, congratulations. Thank you for your heart of gold. Thank you for your perseverance. Thank you for facing your challenges. Thank you for being a valuable member of your family and improving the lives of those around you just by being you, just by setting an amazing example. And today is just a little token of what you deserve. You deserve more, you deserve to be recognized, and you deserve all the good so that you can go on to be healthy, happy, productive adults and have your own families and continue to shine that light to all around you. To all our partners who are here today, I encourage you to keep championing the cause for our children. I acknowledge the support of the government of the People's Republic of China for their support for the program for rehabilitating our street children and our young boys, hand in hand with Inspire Pacific. I acknowledge the support of UNICEF in bringing our laws to Parliament last week. I acknowledge all our sponsors who have come forward. We call them champions for children. Who've come forward to donate in some form or fashion so that you could be transported here. You could be brought over with your families. We can have the awards made. We can have the certificates made. And of course, you can be at this venue. But it takes leadership. And that's why I wish to acknowledge Palika and her team. She's a tough young leader, but I believe she has a lot of promise, along with our alumni, our recipients from the past, but as well as you children. You're not just our future, you are now our present. You represent about 65 to 70% of the population now. That's our population of youth in Fiji. And children is about half of that, under 18. Very soon, some of you will be young adults. I hope you will continue to shine that light. You will continue to shine the light, especially I see a number of our recipients who are boys. It's my challenge to you and my hope to you that you will be that light to develop healthy relationships with girls, to be the light, to shine on the need to prevent violence against our women and girls. That you will be that shining example, that you will spread that message of love in your communities, that you will also motivate them to be leaders like you. That is my prayer, and that is the prayer of every adult that sits in this room, that all our children will be like you. We look forward to hearing about your profiles and the community work you've undertaken and the work you've done today as you receive your awards. But I just want to wish you, each of you and your families, a very, very Merry Christmas. May it be a joyous time, may it be a safe time, may it also be a time where we reflect on our Savior, we reflect on the values that we need to always try to emulate like you have. Love, trust, faith, all of those important values, respect respect between your peers, and respect for every living thing on earth. That is my prayer. I thank you all very much for coming here today, for being present here. Oh, my children are here today. 3 of my children are here today. Mercedes is sitting all the way in the back. Mercy, put your hand up. There she is. She's the oldest. And my youngest, Justice, is right beside her. And my son Zion is here as well. So I'm so grateful that they're being able to come here. This was very important for them to be here to see you children and to honor you. And this is such a beautiful family event. We are a family all here today. And I hope you get to know each other, even with a short time, and that you will stay in touch and remain friends, remain colleagues, remain in touch to inspire each other in the years to come. And for those that I may have not acknowledged, we have members, the past members also of Vision Fiji that are here. I see Avanish hiding in the back there, Avi, and other members as well. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Congratulations, Vision Fiji and the Fiji Children's Award to get here today. And may God bless you all, each of you, and protect you and guide you. And may God bless Fiji.